Good morning rally colleagues. Welcome to day 4 of the GB EV Rally. I'm EV Keith, otherwise known more normally as Keith Freeman from Drivetech, driver training partner to the GB EV Rally. Today I want to focus on COAST, C-O-A-S-T, concentration, observation, anticipation, space, time. Concentration, probably one of the hardest tasks that we all have to undertake as drivers. Have you ever done a journey and wondered how you got there? Well, if you have, you probably haven't anticipated all the hazards on the way. How do we help concentration? Probably by doing a little bit of commentary on what we see and what is happening ahead of us. Observation. We won't miss some of the more vital hazards that we see on the roads, such as the motorcyclist when we're pulling out of junctions, the pedestrian anticipating crossing the road ahead. Anticipating other drivers' movements is absolutely essential, and of course it is key to helping us with our vehicle range when we're driving. Creating space and time, not following the vehicles ahead too closely, creating that space to watch when vehicles are slowing down so that your braking and planning can be smooth. And of course time is essential. When we can see that we're going to potentially get into a space that is threatened by other road users, we need that time to avoid being involved in a collision. So today we're going to cover approximately 238 miles. Enjoy those miles and use the COAST acronym as we make our journey towards Bristol. Safe journey everyone. See you tomorrow.